पहले देखें या 20 साल या 30 साल पहले देखें, इंक्लूजन का मतलब था खाली डिसेबल्ड चिल्ड्रन, कि जो बच्चों जिनमें कुछ डिसेबिलिटी है, मेंटल या फिजिकल डिसेबिलिटी है, जिन्हें हम स्पेशल चिल्ड्रन कहते हैं, मेंटली चैलेंज कहते हैं, फिजिकली चैलेंज कहते हैं, खाली अगर वो हमारे क्लासरूम में है तो हमारा क्लासरूम इंक्लूसिव होता है। लेकिन आई हैव टू रियली टेल यू दिस अगेन एंड अगेन एंड एम्फसाइज ऑन दिस दैट आज जब हम अभी कुछ वर्षों से जब इंक्लूजन का जो डेफिनेशन है पूरा बदल गया है, बिकॉज जब क्या होता है, व्हेन टाइम पासेस डेफिनेशंस आल्सो चेंज, कॉन्सेप्ट्स आल्सो चेंज, इट इज डायनामिक, ये स्टैटिक नहीं है कि एक जगह ही मतलब एक जगह ही रहता है। सो व्हाट वी फाइंड इज नाउ दैट व्हेन हम आज जब एक इंक्लूसिव क्लासरूम की बात करते हैं, सो वी हैव गर्ल्स, वी हैव पीपल विद डिफरेंट एबिलिटी, we have the rich, we have the poor, we have children from rural areas, urban areas, we have the slum children, street children, girls. So we have SC, scheduled caste, we have scheduled tribe, we have the HIV infected. So all these people are actually, minorities. So all these people are making our inclusive classroom. Now, my question to you is that how will classroom discourse help an inclusive classroom? Now remember, all these children have different abilities, इनके academic achievement अलग है, और ऐसे बहुत सारे researches हुए हैं जिनका कहना है, जिनका finding है that academic achievement बहुत सारे scheduled caste, scheduled tribe बच्चों का कम है अगर हम तुलना इनकी और बच्चों के साथ अगर किया जाए। So ऐसे I am not saying this, researchers tell this, okay? If you see researches on the marginalized, on scheduled caste, on scheduled tribe, you will find कि research findings का ये कहना है कि जो इनके achievement है, academic achievement है, वो कम है, और उसके बहुत सारे कारण हैं. I don't want to go into it right now. There are many reasons for that, and so but here now in an inclusive classroom discourse का क्या function है फिर, कि हम इन सब बच्चों को हम किस प्रकार से हम इनमें improvement लाएं. So what do you think? How will the discourse help? Yes.
Ma'am, due to classroom discourse, their teacher get to know what are strong points and weak points, and they can work together on their weak points, right?
Okay. Teacher understands them. Yes, the teacher does understand them better, definitely. But what in the classroom discourse will help? You know what is classroom discourse. So how is it going to help these children, the learners?
Ma'am, it will encourage the students to participate more and more, regardless of...
Wonderful, yes, participation. Student participation and student engagement, ये बहुत जरूरी है. हमको ये याद रखना है कि all these children, classroom discourse जो है, and classroom discourse का जो behavior है, it has to be taught कि discourse का behavior क्या है. So discourse behavior is a term which I want to use, is very important in an inclusive classroom. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि जो बच्चे अक्लमंद हैं, होशियार हैं, जो पार्टिसिपेटिव हैं, वो डिस्कोर्स को मोनोपोलाइज करें, वो डोमिनेट करें. नो. और हमें उन बच्चों का ध्यान रखना है. एज अ टीचर, डिस्कोर्स बिहेवियर ये कहता है कि जो बच्चे कम पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, जो बच्चों में लैंग्वेज डिफिकल्टी है, उन्हें हमें इनकरेज करना है पार्टिसिपेशन के लिए, इंगेजमेंट के लिए. एंड दैट इज हाउ classroom discourse becomes very important, because all these children have to be encouraged, all these children have to participate, all these children have to be engaged in this discourse. So discourse behavior is very important in the classroom. Teacher must know discourse behavior, students must know discourse behavior, कि किस प्रकार से हमें participate करना है, and everybody gets an equal chance, especially जो बच्चे कम पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, और जिन बच्चे में लैंग्वेज डिफिकल्टी अगर हो, हम कैसे उनके लैंग्वेज को इन्हांस कर सकते हैं, उनको और पार्टिसिपेट करवा के. Now, is this point clear to you?
Yes,
Clear
ma'am.
to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Everybody? So how inclusive classrooms become more better because of classroom discourse, how inclusive classrooms, get enhanced, they get improved because of classroom discourse. So classroom discourse का ये एक बहुत important जो है, एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण function है, कार्य है, जिससे हमारा जो हमारे learners है, अलग background, अलग abilities, caste, community, सब बच्चे जो है participate करके उनमें जो learning outcomes है वो improve हो, उनका जो achievement है वो improve हो. So that becomes very important here. The next point here in function is creating a community of respectfulness. Okay. Creating a community of respectfulness. Okay, so how do people respect each other now here? If there is classroom discourse, how would people respect each other? I'm saying creating a community of respectfulness. RESPECTFULLNESS. So how do you create a community of respectfulness?
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Boliye.
They will respect each other's point of view and on particular topic what others say. Like they will not try to dominate.
Okay.
They will be welcome.
Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else? How is this community feeling enhanced? Yeah, she's right. She says listening to others' point of view. Anything else? How do teachers create this feeling of respectfulness? Anyone else?
Involve all the children in the group activity.
Wonderful. Group activity. Yes. Yes. Anything else? What else do you think? Anyone else?
And the feeling of inequality may be vanished.
Okay.
In that way, inequality.
Okay. So there's more equality, feeling of equality, because naturally, if you respect somebody, they are all interrelated. If I respect you, you'll feel equal. If I disrespect you, you will feel that you're not equal. Someone is looking down upon you, and you're being thought of as an inferior person. So yes, respect से एक बराबरी की जो भावना है वो आती है. रिस्पेक्ट से फीलिंग ऑफ एक इक्वालिटी है वो हम सब में आती है. डेफिनेटली देयर इज नो डाउट. सी अनदर थिंग एज what is important here, because there is a lot of engagement with the students, so there's a lot of respect here because there is extensive engagement with the students. अभी किसी ने बोला, one of you said, activities. So engagement कैसे होगा? Students के साथ engagement कैसे होगा? Because a lot of activities will be conducted. So you will have parent share activities, you will have small group activities, you will have reading activities. So students will, have time to discuss. Students will have time to analyze. Students will have time to reflect. अच्छा, मैंने रीडिंग किया, क्या ये ठीक था? क्या मेरा प्रोनाउंसिएशन ठीक था? क्या मेरा एक्सेंट ठीक था? क्या मैंने वर्ड्स का उच्चारण ठीक प्रकार से किया? So you will reflect, the students will reflect, then the learners will reflect, they will analyze, what is being said, they will discuss. So all this engagement जो क्लास में होता है, जो interaction, discourse I said is interaction, all this, and you listen to each other, and there is a whole feeling of community. एक community का feeling develop होता है, so like every classroom also, like now all of you you, like I could say that all of you now, you're B.Ed students, 110 of you in this semester 1 class, you are an online community. I could call you an online community right now. You have never met face to face, but definitely, you are discussing, you are interacting with each other, and so this is an online community. So when everybody is engaged, there is engagement अगर है classroom में, तो एक respectfulness आ जाता है. The teacher respects the students respect each other, students respect the teacher, so there is a feeling of respectfulness that comes. Okay, then the next point here is, now when community building activities, so then it also, classroom discourse also helps in giving a sense of belonging. Okay, so the next point is that it helps in giving a sense of belonging to the learners. The sense of belonging कैसे आता है?
Ma'am, when the students participate, whether it can be any class activity as a whole, then they feel that yes, I am a part of this class. When their views are respected, so they feel that they are a part.
Exactly. So this point is related, to the last point which I talked about. जहाँ पे community building है, जहाँ पे activities है जो कि community building में result करती हैं, और अगर ये community building है जहाँ respectfulness है, जहाँ participation है, जहाँ engagement है, जहाँ activities हैं, तो वहाँ एक sense of belonging आ जाता है rather than sense of isolation. ठीक है ना, वहां लगता है कि I'm a part of the classroom. Now, where do I belong? I belong to the class. Okay, so there is a sense of belonging to the classroom because of all the interaction that we are having, all the discourse we are having inside the class. So this, all these community building activities, I would say, helps in this feeling of, belonging. So सबको लगता है कि हम इस जो मेरा क्लासरूम है, हम इस क्लासरूम के एक महत्वपूर्ण हम एक हिस्सा हैं. I'm a part of it. So that becomes important over here. Now the next point here is, students have a more positive view. Okay, students have a more positive view of the class environment. Okay, students have a more positive view of the class environment. Okay, now see, this is again related to the last 2 points. When will you have a positive view? When will not, you are a class. Now let me ask you, all of you are class. Okay, and I am teaching you, I'm your teacher. Okay, when are you going to have a positive view about this class of yours? Tell me. Let me ask you.
Ma'am,
Tell me about this class, then I will tell you. नहीं, सुनाई नहीं पड़ा. Who's this? नहीं, आपकी आवाज. Who's this?
Ma'am, when we are heard,
जोर से बोलिए. Come close to the mic and जोर से बोलिए.
Ma'am, when we are heard, जब कोई हमें सुनते हैं, जब हमारा ओपिनियन एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, when we are accepted and then appreciation is given, then we will feel positive about the class. If appreciation is not given and if we are not heard, we will not feel good.
Wonderful, very good. Anyone else would
And
like to
ma'am,
contribute?
and I'm adding to this, if we are wrong also, no, then teacher correct us in very friendly manner and not in very strict or harsh words.
Okay, anything else? Fine.
Ma'am, encouragement is given
Okay.
for small or big.
हाँ, बोलिए.
Ma'am, even belongingness, the teacher is encouraging in everything, whether to participate in, then we feel like we are being respected.
Okay, so you are allowed to participate. Fine. Okay, you're allowed to participate, so you feel you know, you have a positive view of your class. Okay, anyone else? Anyone else? So what you say, so actually what all of you say is right. You know, all of you are saying is absolutely right. And I would like to quote here one researcher, and I really liked, you know, what he said. So I'm going to quote you a quote, and you can take it down in inverted commas. And Booker, 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 in brackets, right, 2008, close the brackets, इन्वर्टेड कॉमा स्टार्ट, उसमें लिखिए, इन्वर्टेड कॉमास में लिखिए जो बुकर ने कहा है, एंड मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा व्हेन आई वाज रीडिंग दिस. When, and it's exactly what you all are saying, you know, it's exactly what you all are saying. When, and this is what he says, comma के अंदर लिखिए, when students are allowed to voice opinions, I repeat, when students are allowed to voice opinions, comma, collaborate, collaborate, comma, they have more positive views of the class environment. They have more positive views of the class environment, inverted commas close. I'll repeat once again. Booker, Bokker, brackets में लिखिए 2008, inverted comma start. When students are allowed to voice opinions, collaborate, they have more positive views of the class opinion. Okay, so now only now besides this, now what you all said, I will not use the word wrong. Now one of you said कि अगर हम कुछ गलत कहते हैं तो you should be corrected in a very positive way. I feel there is nothing wrong actually, you know, in the teaching learning process, you know, unless it's factual. You know, of course, if it's a factual information, yes, it can be right or wrong. But many times it is just a difference of opinion, okay, which we have, which all of us have. And I think it's a very healthy exchange, according to me, to have a difference of opinion. And this is what teachers must understand when they go in the classroom, that many times, you know, students may have a difference of opinion, and there could be a very healthy exchange, discourse of, you know, different viewpoints. You know, अलग-अलग students, अलग-अलग learners के अलग-अलग views हैं, अलग opinion है, अलग perspectives हैं, which we have to respect and which we must listen to. But क्या हम लोग क्या देखते हैं, that, you know, so this healthy exchange of ideas जिसकी हम बात करते हैं, can have disagreements. Okay, this healthy exchange of thoughts can have different opinions, disagreements, arguments, you know. So we must not get scared of it, either teachers or students. We have to be supportive to all members. तो हमें सब लोग को support करना है. So this is very important. ये कभी मत समझिए, इसलिए मैं बार बार ये point को मैं emphasize कर रही हूँ, that discourse is not, you know, only acceptance of one idea, one thought, one perspective. Discourse, I gave you one of the definitions right in the beginning. Discourse is argument. Discourse is disagreement. Discourse is, you know, agreement. So discourse is different perspectives. Discourse is different opinions. So remember that. This is very, very important when you go in the classroom, क्योंकि अक्सर हम लोग ये देखते हैं that teachers do not like to be disagreed upon. Do you agree with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. But you are the teachers of tomorrow. You are the teachers, you are the present teachers of today's world. You know, हमारा ज़माना गया कि जब जो टीचर ने बोला हमने सर हिला दिया. This is not today. You know, there is so much of knowledge which students के हाथ पे है, एक click पे है. नो, एंड और हमें थिंकिंग को इनकरेज करना है। जब हम कंस्ट्रक्टिविज्म की बात कर रहे हैं, जब हम बोले हैं दैट चाइल्ड मस्ट कंस्ट्रक्ट हिज ओन नॉलेज, हम जब इसकी बात करते हैं, so we must understand that it's very very important that every learner must be allowed to voice his own thoughts, ideas, creativity, opinion, that is thinking. So ये बहुत important है, और ये और somehow और ये बहुत important है कि हमारे टीचर्स के डीएनए में ये घुसना चाहिए that हमारे स्टूडेंट्स हमसे सहमत नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं, listen to them and see that what is the point they are making. So that becomes very important here. So this is, so we find that there's a positive. So if you allow this views, opinions, collaboration, disagreements, everything, they have a positive opinion about the classroom environment. So the same thing, I can apply on you. If in this whole class, if I say, that no one must disagree with me, okay? If I demonstrate by words, or or by expressions, or by anything else, that then you will not have a positive view about this class. Am I right? Yes?
No, अगर
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Will you have a positive view? अगर मैं यहाँ पे हिटलर के समान आपको डिक्लेयर कर दूं that कोई सबको मुझसे सहमत होना है, सबको मुझसे बोलना है, हाँ में हामी भरना है, कोई अपना ओपिनियन नहीं दे सकता है, will you have a positive view about the class?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, you will not, obviously, because you are a thinking, independent thinking individual. You have a brain, and the brain thinks, so, and you have your own opinion, and similarly all learners also think, okay, and they have a right to voice their opinion. So it's very very important. Now the last point here is, when we are talking about the function, is that talk, and this is a very interesting point, because यहाँ पे बहुत misconceptions होते हैं, and the last point is that talk is necessary for the building of the brain. Okay, talk is necessary for the building of the brain itself as a physical organism. Talk is necessary for the building of the brain itself as a physical organism, thereby expanding, expanding, thereby expanding its power, full stop, thereby expanding its power, full stop. Okay, so talking is important because का brain जो आपका है, जो एक physical organ है आपके body में, उसका जो power है वो बढ़ता है. Okay, so उसका जो power है वो increase होता है. आपके जो neurons हैं, जो brain cell जिसे हम बोलते हैं, जिसे हम neurons बोलते हैं, okay, in physiological terms, that becomes sharp. That becomes activated, and इसलिए कहा जाता है, and क्या होता है that जैसे कि aging होता है brain का, as we start aging, वो neurons हमारे कम होते जाते हैं, shrink करते जाते हैं, हम भूलते हैं, हमें याद नहीं रहता है. That is all related to our neurons. But at the stage when children are small, when उनका development हो रहा है, जब उनका power brain का बढ़ रहा है, so even talk has a role. Talk has a role to play. Discourse, classroom discourse, that is talking, interacting, has its own importance. So this is an interesting point, and why I'm saying this, that why this is important is that many times parents and teachers का ये मानना है कि talk has lower status than written discourse. or written activities. Teachers को लगता है या parents को लगता है कि अगर कुछ written नहीं कराया class में तो कुछ कराया ही नहीं. That's not true actually. Absolutely not true. It is not like that, because talk and interactions have a very important role to play. So this is a misconcept that is there. So for the development of the brain, talking, interacting with learners is important, especially जब उनका development stages है, उनका formative stages है, it becomes important. Now, have you seen parents and have you ever seen parents of small children? What do they do all the time? What do they do?
They
Tell me.
talk with their kids. They talk with their kids.
I stay in apartment, और मेरे सामने जो apartment है, there are two twins. I think 3 years old. They are two small girls, in front of me. So whenever I open the door, and if these two girls, they're very social, मतलब I have never seen such social small children. उनको कोई inhibition नहीं है, सबसे बात करते हैं, सबको wish करते हैं, strangers से also they're very very social. So the moment the mother is there, supposing she'll keep on giving instructions. Say hello to auntie. How was your day? Talk to her. Talk to this. This is very common. We find that all the parents are talking to their children, are teaching them. ये क्या है? ये फूल है? ये color है? ये क्या है? So इसका एक advantage भी है. Try to understand that it also has an advantage that it is sharpening the brain of the learner. Okay, it is not only to improve language skills, वो तो है ही कि language skills का improvement होता है, but it is also to sharpen your brain cells and for brain development, especially at the learner stage, at that stage. So that becomes important here. So now these are the functions of classroom discourse. Now अब इस functions में किसी को कुछ doubt है तो पूछो.
मैम एक चीज ऐड करनी है.
हाँ बोलिए.
मैम अगर मतलब आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग के अगर बच्चे को टॉकिंग नहीं करने दिया, अगर बात अपनी नहीं प्रेजेंट करने दी, तो फिर वो ग्रीवियंस हो जाती है और फिर उसकी वजह से मिसकंडक्ट भी होता है. तो मिसकंडक्ट ना हो उससे पहले ये ग्रीवियंस रिमूव करना नेसेसरी है बाय टॉकिंग.
Yeah, absolutely true. That is absolutely true that जो भी उसके दिल में जो भी भावनाएं हैं, जो भी उसको बोलना है, जो भी complaints हैं, she's saying grievances हैं, complaints हैं, कोई भी unhappiness है, नाखुशी है, तो express करना, it's very important. And let me tell you, not only for children, for all of us, okay? This is very, very important. So all of us must have at least one person, maybe if you're not very social, doesn't matter. You must have one person, I always say, जिसके साथ आप अपना सारे सुख दुख बांट सके. That is very, very important for all of us in life. So now with this, we finish with these functions of classroom discourse. Okay, now I want to discuss, we only have 8-9 minutes. I will not start anything new. Now, who are the new students who have joined here? Now, because now who are the leaders जिसमें कि students have left for the assignment? Who are those leaders? Please come up and speak.
Ma'am, I am new student.
क्या नाम है आपका?
Ma'am, खुशबू.
Khushbu. Now, which is the group? Where some students have left? You told Rakesh. So now Rakesh sir has resigned. Okay, he's on a scholarship to do his doctoral work, so he has resigned. So now you better tell me now that now Khushbu is there, who's a new student who has just okay. Now who else is new here in the management 10 students quota? Who is here now more?
I am Dhruti Patel, ma'am. I am new student.
Okay. Just 1 second. What is the class? Huh? Okay. Oh. Jyoti Patel. Okay. Who else?
Dhruti Patel. Ma'am.
Dhruti.
Parmar Sefali, new student.
Dhruti Patel. Okay. और कौन है ये थर्ड?
Parmar Sefali.
परमार शेफाली. ओके. शेफाली. ओके, और कौन है? खुशबू, ध्रुति पटेल. See, you have to be very careful. Assignment का group join करना है आप लोग सबको. Okay, then I cannot give marks otherwise. This is group work. Now, assignment वाले leaders जिनके group में students left out हो गए हैं, वो कौन-कौन है? Who are the leaders here?
यस मैम, ग्रुप नंबर 3 में से एक लड़की ने लेफ्ट किया है.
Okay. Now, what's your name?
मैम पिनल गाजीपुर.
ग्रुप नंबर 3 का लीडर कौन है?
मैम हेतल है, हेतल चौहान.
हेतल, आप बात कर रहे हैं?
नहीं मैम, मैं पिनल ग्रुप नंबर 3 में मेंबर हूँ.
मेंबर है. Where is हेतल? Where is the leader?
यस मैम.
तो बोलो ना, अब इतना टाइम क्यों लगा रहे हो हेतल? When I'm asking where is the leader?
मेरा नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा था बार-बार, इसलिए मुझे कट-कट के सुनाई दे रहा था.
Okay. So आपके ग्रुप में कितने लोग हैं हेतल?
9 लोग हैं.
9. So now Khushbu?
Yes.
Khushbu, are you
Yes,
here?
ma'am. Yes,
Join
ma'am.
Hetal's group. She will
Okay, ma'am.
explain to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Join her
Okay.
group. Okay. Now who's the second person leader जहाँ पे कम है? Yes. Okay. Okay. So Dhruti Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Join with Prabhat.
Okay, ma'am.
Get in touch with him. Okay. Now, which is another group where there is left? और कोई group है where there is left?
Yes, ma'am. Group number 6.
Group number
6. मतलब
Who's
कोई
the
लेफ्ट
leader?
नहीं. I am the leader, मैम. मरियम.
हाँ.
मैम कोई लेफ्ट नहीं हुआ है, बट 9% ही अलॉट हुए थे.
Okay. So now Shefali. Every group has 10 people, right?
Ma'am, group number
Yes,
11.
ma'am.
1 minute, please let me go one by one. Every group has 10 people, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Group number 2.
Okay, 1 minute now. Group number 6, Mariam.
Yes, ma'am.
Take Parmar Shefali.
Okay, ma'am.
Shefali, please get in touch with Mariam.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now any other new admissions?
Ma'am, Muskan.
Muskan what?
Ma'am, Muskan Sheikh.
Okay. So Muskan अभी कौन सा ग्रुप में नहीं है?
Ma'am, group number 11.
Who's the leader?
Divya Tongya.
Divya, Muskan, go. Divya, how many are there? 9?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Muskan, you go there
Okay, ma'am.
with Divya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Any
ma'am.
other new admission?
As of now, we 4 are there, that I know.
New admission में 4 ही हैं क्या आप लोग?
We
Yes,
4
ma'am.
are, otherwise we 4 know each other. Other than that, we don't know.
अच्छा, ठीक है, चलिए. तो आप लोग 4 का हो गया ना ग्रुप डिसाइड?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
हो गया
ma'am.
ना? बस ठीक है. So join these 4 groups. मतलब कोई और आता है तो we will see what has to
Ma'am.
be.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in group number 11, we have 8 members total. So now we add one more student, that Muskan. So total 9 numbers we have.
ठीक है. It's okay. जैसे जैसे आएंगे, so we will fix up. You carry on with your work. You don't bother about the number. ठीक है ना? Okay. Now listen carefully, all of you. We have to take an internal test. Okay, which we are planning next week for you for 2 units. मेरा unit नहीं आएगा, it's not completed as yet. So unit number 1 and unit number 2, ठीक है ना? So unit number 1 or unit number 2 में you have to take a multiple. So what we are planning is a multiple choice test, you know, because it has to be online, otherwise it's not possible. So what we are planning is that now internal test has 60% weightage. 25 mark आपका assignment का है, and 60% I will exactly tell you the marks. You know, today I'll just go and find out exactly what it is, because this is a new system they have started for the new batch. पहले हमारा 15 और 35 था, last year तक अलग था. Now this is a new system. Now खैर जितना भी है उससे आपको मतलब नहीं है, आपका कोर्स जो है वो 2 units से होगा, you know, first unit and second unit. Now next Saturday is okay for you? Next Saturday? Next Saturday is कल ये वाला Saturday नहीं, next week वाला Saturday. Next week वाला Saturday is which date?
16th.
16.
Oh no, 16th might be. I think 14th will be a holiday for Uttarayan, na? 14th and 15th.
Yes.
So
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
no, I don't want to keep it on 16th because then there'll be a problem. 14th, 16th, तो 18th को रखे Monday को. Monday को रखते हैं फिर.
Yes, ma'am.
16th is a Saturday. Sunday is Sunday 17th. 18th is a Monday.
Okay.
ठीक है ना? So 18th को रखते हैं, and now the test is going to be like this. सबको join करना है class में, ठीक है? We will keep the videos on, and we are going to give you a Google form link, ठीक है? आपको एक Google form का link WhatsApp group में आ जाएगा, and आप उस Google form link को click करेंगे, it will take you to the test paper. ओके वहां पे आपको टेस्ट पेपर में आप जस्ट करेक्ट ऑप्शन में टिक करके सबमिट आपको कर देना है, वो डायरेक्टली हमारे पास आ जाएगा, ठीक है ना? और आपको मार्क्स भी पता चल जाएगा वहीं पे. इट विल कैलकुलेट एंड टेल यू योर रिजल्ट आल्सो.
Okay, ma'am.
Unit 1 and
Okay,
2.
ma'am.
Okay.
Unit 1 and 2.
Yes,
Unit 1
ma'am.
and 2 only. That is
Ma'am, time duration.
so that will be you know 45 minutes. It will not be more than 25 questions. Or maybe we can make it if you want an hour. You know, we'll start a little early at our time. We can start at 11 o'clock. We'll start a little early, and we can do it. So okay.
Ma'am, I have one
Ma'am?
doubt. I have one
Hi,
suggestion.
Sir, I'll just call you. I'm in a class. I'll just call you. हाँ सर, I'll just call you. ठीक है सर, फिर मैं आपसे बात करती हूँ फिर, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. ओके. हाँ, and someone had a doubt about the assignment. को कुछ मुझे query आया.
मैम बाकी
क्या
सारे
है
सब्जेक्ट का भी इसी तरह से होगा क्या?
क्या चीज?
बाकी सारे सब्जेक्ट का जो इंटरनल असेसमेंट है
हाँ.
वो मतलब इसी तरह के ही होगा या
I
फिर
don't
उनका कोई
know.
अलग से टाइम टेबल आएगा?
नहीं, there will be no timetable because ये internal assessment है. हर टीचर अपना मेथड और अपना वो फिक्स करेगी. It can be of different types also. Yeah. You know, somebody may take short type answer, somebody may take something, but to make it easy for you, because this is online, you know, we have designed a quiz. We are planning to design a quiz that is on a Google form. वो लिंक आपको आ जाएगा, आपको क्लास में एंटर करना है, करना हमारे सामने ही है सबको. Okay, and it will be time bound. Maybe we can give you an hour. If you want 15 minutes more, time bound के बदले वो form inactive हो जाएगा. You cannot use that form.
मैम वेटेज कितना है इस एग्जाम, इस इंटरनल एग्जाम का वेटेज कितना है?
It is 60%. The exact marks I will just tell you, you know, on Saturday.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll just tell you because I'm not very sure. The weightage is 60%, and the weightage of is 40% is of the external. कम अब internal का weightage इस साल से ज्यादा हो गया है और external का weightage कम हो गया है.
मैम एक बात आपको बतानी थी, ग्रुप नंबर 6 में जो मेंबर ऐड हुए हैं मैम, हमारा प्रोजेक्ट तो डन हो गया है, इट इज ऑल ओवर। तो अगर किसी ग्रुप का बाकी है काम तो वो उसमें ऐड हो सकते हैं। जैसे आपने मुस्कान को ऐड किया जिसमें 8 ही मेंबर थे,
राजा है।
तो अगर ऐसा हो सकता है तो आप उनको उसमें ऐड कर लो, बिकॉज हमारा ग्रुप का तो ऑलमोस्ट सब हो गया है।
Okay, so which one has 8 members? 9 now?
Ma'am, group 11.
Okay, so now do one thing, Muskan. No, which group
Muskan
you said, Mariam?
Shefali.
Shefali. Shefali. Then you add
Yes, ma'am.
group 11. Go to group 11 then.
Okay, ma'am.
You can contact Divya. Contact Divya.
Okay, ma'am.
हेलो मैम।
हाँ
मैम कौन से यूनिट आने वाले हैं टेस्ट में?
बोल तो रही हूँ मैं, यूनिट नंबर 1 and 2. I'm repeating again and again that unit number 1 taught by Rakesh Jadhav and 2 taught by Madhvi madam, Dr. Madhvi will only be coming. Okay,
ma'am.
1 and 2 will only be coming. Okay.
मैडम ग्रुप नंबर 11 का लीडर कौन है?
Divya.
ओके।
Contact Divya. Okay. Now someone had a doubt, was asking something to me on the WhatsApp. I did not understand. Who was that? About the assignment. Now quickly tell me. Now I have to also go to the department. Yes.
मैम
हाँ.
मैम वो मुझे ऐसी क्वेरी था कि हमें जो एक्सपीरियंस एंड आउटकम्स लिखने हैं असाइनमेंट में, वो इंडिविजुअली लिखना है या फिर हमें पूरे जो ग्रुप में मेंबर है उसका सम अप करके लिखना है?
Individually कुछ नहीं लिखना है. You have to write everything in totality. Okay. Take opinions of all. This is group work. जिसके जो experience है, जिसका जो problems था, जिसने क्या activity किया to enhance speaking skill or reading skill, you have to combine everybody's data. Okay, that is why it is group work. Individual hota to I would have given you individually. Okay, so combine all the data together and then make your points thematically and put it down. ठीक है ना? चाहे वो problems हो, your recommendation हो, your experiences हो.
Okay.
Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am. I
Understood? This is for everybody. Nothing individual. This is group work. 10 लोग का डेटा इकट्ठा करके आपको उसको एनालाइज करके प्रेजेंट करना है. Okay, under different headings, under different points, under different themes. ठीक है? Okay. Now, wait, please. Let me take your attendance. Then you can go. Okay. Okay. Thank you. We'll meet on Saturday. Okay.
Ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Good day, ma'am.
Thank you. Yes, someone is saying something?
Yes, ma'am. You can on 18th Jan, which is Monday, and our this period comes on Tuesday, ना?
ओहो, अच्छा. हाँ, तो फिर 19th को, फिर 19th को रखिए.
Okay, ma'am.
And we'll start a little early. We'll start at 11.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
चलो, okay.